Here's a 72 Chevelle, just in it, unique specialty in classics. Some SS badging on it. Nice dual color combination here with the gray exterior and maroon stripes on it. Those are painted on, that's not vinyl. That also kind of coincides with the accents in the interior, where it's got a black interior with some the red or maroon piping. This particular car is powered by a 454 that was built by S&S Machine Shop out of Belle Plaine, Minnesota here. Puts down approximately 540 horse. There is a dyno sheet on it. Aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake. Does have the fast fuel injection system to it. So quite healthy engine in this one. That's teamed with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, check out the engine base and see that engine underneath the hood. Check out the underside of the car, interior, etc. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or of course, you can feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. Also in those pictures, I'll take a picture of the dyno sheet too, so if you're interested in seeing that, you'll be able to see it. This car, the paint's not perfect. I want to show you a few. You can kind of see back here, there's some imperfections in it here and there. But overall, I mean, the luster's nice to it. Looks good with that burgundy on the gray, but it's not perfect, but still a nice driver quality, I would call it. Good for any of your local cruise-ins or any of your local shows. As you can see, it's riding on the Krieger style wheels, AWC, American Wheel Company, I believe that would be. Again, check out the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Check out any of those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a peek at the interior here. See the matching door cards, the color and the piping and the bucket seats up front. That also matches the rear. Horseshoe shifter. We can go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. It does have aftermarket stereo, water temp gauge, and the oil pressure gauge. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Hear the fuel pump run. Back. We're going to rumble out of that 454. Obviously very healthy. Again, if you'd like to check out the still pictures of that engine bay, it's Unique Classic Cars where you can see that. And or, like I said, give us a call. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. 1972 Chevelle 454 big block under the hood.